Today I'm going to show you an interesting problem on the GX460. This is a 2021 Lexus GX460. And what's really funny is when I bought this thing a year ago, I looked in the wheel well here and I was thinking, oh man, what a nice looking engine. You see all that back there? Look at how clean it looks. It looks great, right? Yeah, it never dawned on me that I really shouldn't be seeing any of this. This should all be covered up. What's missing here are something called apron seals, or also known as apron covers. I never even knew what they were until now. This car is only 4 years old, and as you can see here, the apron seals are all gone. They have completely deteriorated. And yeah, if you look closely, sorry, it's kind of dark, you can see the holder. You see that little plastic thing that actually used to have the apron seal on there, and this is it right here. Look at this, it's like paper. So yeah, for some reason the GX comes with these horrible cheap seals that just crumble away. Again, this thing is only 4 years old, which is absolutely crazy. So for comparison, let's take a look at my Tacoma. This Tacoma is a 2013, which means that it is a lot older. And look at that, you see those? The seals on my Tacoma are still fully intact. Now they are still kind of thin, but they are fully intact. So I don't know what is going on with the GX seals. But to fix the problem, you have to replace them, obviously. So that's what we're gonna do now. These are the new ones. These are guaranteed and made in the USA. These are third party, made from Rad Rubber Design. I paid $49.95 plus tax and shipping, so no free stuff for me. I'm not sponsored, I'm just showing you what I'm using here. So here's the new seals, and if you look at these, this is like real rubber. And yeah, they're super thick, super nice, and they really smell like rubber. So this is like real rubber, and it just blows my mind. I don't know why Lexus wasn't smart enough to think, hey, maybe on a $72,000 midsize SUV, you should have better seals on it. So anyways, yeah, the GX is not without its flaws, despite being an absolutely amazing SUV, perhaps the best ever. Sorry if that triggers you, but that's the truth. And by the way, I will be doing more GX material, so if you like the GX, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. All right, so here's the install instructions, and it looks pretty simple to me. This is the KDSS version, because when you buy these apron seals, you have to buy the ones that are made for KDSS. And the reason for that is because they are made differently. And my vehicle, my GX right here, does have KDSS. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull out all of the old fasteners, and I'm going to install the new aprons. And I'm hoping I won't have to take the wheel and tire off. It looks like I can probably get to it just by putting my hand back here like that. It's going to be a pain in the ass to pull off the old fasteners, but let me go ahead and do that real quick. So when you install these, you do have to pay attention to the instructions because the fasteners come in 2 different sizes. So for example, if you look at this one, there's a 1/4 inch up here, but then 5/16 down here. Also, each apron seal looks really different. So make sure you lay them out like I did here and you understand which one you're actually putting on. In addition to that, you do want to use a fastener remover if you have one like this one, because it's made out of plastic and this can remove the fasteners without scratching your frame. But if you don't have that, then you can just use a flathead screwdriver. All right, so I got all the fasteners removed on the driver's side, like this one right here. And yeah, look at that old apron seal. It literally just falls apart. So another thing to notice is that some of the fasteners are actually sideways. So this one right here is right here on the side in front of the strut. And then there's another one that's way behind the wheel. Yeah, I'm not even sure where it is, like right here. So you can do this, I think, without taking the wheel off, but you will need to reach behind there to do it. So as I mentioned earlier, you do have different size fasteners. There are 21 total. 19 of them are 5/16 and 2 of them are 1/4. So the cool thing is that they do actually have the courtesy to separate these. So these are the two 1/4 inch ones that we'll be using. So here's my front apron from Rad Rubber Design installed. High quality, fits perfectly. The rear one, this is the driver's side by the way, I am having some problems with some of the fasteners that don't want to go in all the way. Now I think it's just because the clearance isn't perfect, so you really got to push it in like this and really try to fasten those. Got the new apron seals installed. You can see them right here in the front and right there in the back. These things are way, way overbuilt. They're really, really amazing. I mean, they're thick and they're awesome. This is one of those rare examples where the aftermarket is a lot better than OEM. So I just wanted to show you again, here's the old one, which is crazy. Look at how thin it is and how it's literally just comes apart. Look at that, with one hand, I'm breaking it apart. So here's what I paid for these. Rad Rubber Design, I paid a total with shipping of $59.60. I also want to show you this so you know that I'm not being paid to promote these or get them for free. I actually paid out of pocket for these. I'm not sponsored. It took me like, I don't know, probably about an hour to put these on at nighttime, just with taking my time and doing it really slowly. My best tip is make sure that you look at the orientation they show you in the pictures. It's not perfect the way that they describe it, but if you study this carefully, you can get them to fit perfectly onto your vehicle. And let me really blow your mind. So yes, I paid $59 for 4 pieces of rubber. But if you go to the dealer, they're gonna want like $230 for the entire set, which is made out of this crappy thin rubber. And it doesn't even come with the fasteners. So in typical dealership form, you will get totally ripped off if you buy OEM. So yeah, Rad Rubber Design. I am not sponsored, but I highly, highly recommend these if you have a GX, because you will need to replace those apron seals. Otherwise they will turn to dust like mine did. Anyways, whatever. I hope this helps you out. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.